Hello everybody, it's Old Drifter. Sun come out, beautiful day today, so I thought I'd take this opportunity just to real quick to show you this little campsite. I've been here, I think we've been here 3 days, something like that. This is Moon Lake, I'm still at the same one. There's old Holly in my van. She's not here at the moment, she's ran to town, so. But anyhow, it's so you can see it's pretty much like most you've been to. It's an open platform. It ain't like like slots inside of trees, tree line or something. But it has a beautiful lake. As you can see, it has I guess you call it a boat dock or whatever there, a little pier you can walk out on. There's one over there. Has a vault toilet right there's a vault toilet. And let's see, there's 2 picnic tables and 1 fire grill. But here's a fire grill and here's a picnic table. Then I was way up there camping. There's a table up there. I decided to move down here. I plugged in because it was been cloudy for the past probably 2 days. I think we've been here longer than 3 days. Because we had 2 sunny days and 2 cloudy days. But anyhow, that don't matter. So can you see the cord? I decided to plug in, charge a few things, my cordless drill and Bluetooth speaker, stuff like that. And since it was cloudy, I figured I'd go ahead and plug in. But it has free electric, 2 plugs. I'm assuming it's free. There's no information board nowhere. It says, you can't use it or you can use it or, the only signs I seen was the name of the campground when we came in, and this sign right here, which they got one up by the road too. That's the only signage I've seen. I don't see no more information right here, so I'm assuming, it's okay to use the power, which normally I don't. I've got myself set up to where I'm pretty self-sufficient. I can get by. As far as needing power and all that. I've got everything in my van there where it's 12 volt. I believe the only thing I have that is I need to plug in for is like my box fan, my little space heater, stuff like that, which I usually use on my generator because most places I go doesn't have electricity. So I've got myself fixed to where I'm gonna call it self-sufficient. I don't really need electricity. I can get by pretty good without it. But anyhow, I've enjoyed it here. I haven't done much. I'm walking out on this little pier thing. I haven't done a whole lot since I've been here. Pretty much just been lazy, kind of bumming around, lay around, eat, watch TV. But it's getting close time to start this next job. I don't even know what today's date is. I think today might be the 16th. 17th, something like that. I'm not even sure. Yeah, sun's behind me. I'm sorry. So, here in a few days we'll be starting the next job. So I've just been kind of laying around, being lazy, not really trying to do a whole lot. What was that? Turtle or something's come through. I don't know what that is. But anyhow, what was we talking about? Oh, my job I'm starting. Yeah. Duh. Yeah, that's the reason I've been sitting around doing nothing. I don't want to call it relaxing because I don't really do nothing anyway as far as being hard. But you know what I'm saying? Just being lazy. Get prepared. So yeah, I just want to show you this campground. Probably I'm going to be leaving here tomorrow. Not sure. I think the plan is we're going to Fargo. Yeah, good thing named town, Fargo. Restock on supplies. And then I guess head on up to pretty much to where we're going to be working. Or in the general area. We're not that far away anyhow. What is this? Aqua nuisance species. Inspect, remove. Oh yeah, it's one of them signs you always see about bringing native species into the water, clean your boat and all that stuff. But anyhow, what was the, man, I got just a terrible memory. Well, oh yeah, heading up to where we're working. I've been looking at free campsites and stuff like that. I don't really see none in the town we're going to, which the job is going to provide me with the campsite. I just can't show up there, you know, early. I have to wait till the time to go to work. But I was trying to get up close to it, kind of in my travel right there. I can't find none that is close to it. So I guess the plan is I'm gonna go Fargo, get supplies, and then get as close as I can and stay, you know, 2 or 3 days or whatever until time to go to work, and then move to the campsite they're providing for me. Anyhow, just want to get on here and say hello. Nothing really important to say. Kind of show you the area. I don't know about the vault toilet. She said it was nasty. I don't use them. I'm kind of a germaphobe, I guess you could say. I don't use them things. I have my own restroom. You know, well, I just leave that alone. Most of the time they're nasty. I mean, not all of them. A lot of times they're clean. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to give you the wrong idea. But by my standards, they're nasty. You know, the people that use them are nasty. I should put it that way. But yeah, I'm on this video right here. I just want to get on and say hello. Say hello to my aunt, my subscribers. This is Moon Lake. You can find it on freecampsites.net. I think the town is Valley Station. It's Valley something. I think it's Valley Station. Easy to find. It's well worth the trip out here. It's been super quiet. Really no drama here. No, all your locals come in and out. Kind of be nosy, you know. That's anywhere you go. They see somebody they don't know, they won't come check them out. But I haven't had no trouble. Yeah. If you're looking for a place in this area, I'd come to Moon Lake. I believe you like it. You can hook up your free electricity. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here. Just want to say hello. I get closer to my workplace, I'll show it to you and let you know what's going on. But until then, we'll see you next time, and God bless you. Well, folks, today's moving day, so I'm getting packed up here. Just putting things away, things that have fall in the floor, you know, or you know, like spilled out. I just woke up, so my mind's a little foggy, but just getting stuff put away so I can hit the road. Move on to our next camp spot. I don't know, yeah, y'all have seen it here. It's kind of dark, I know, but here's my little sink, my stove, which I gotta take my little teapot down, it'll spill. Because that's just a box shoved back there, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. But I get everything off the counter. Gotta get that, put this cup up. Just stuff like that. I actually made my bed this morning. But actually, I got quite a bit of room. People don't realize how much room I got in here. I got all that put away. Well, my little heater. Where's that? There it is. I need to put that up. That's about it. That's my refrigerator. Of course, there's that little black area right there. That's my microwave. That little case of water. I can leave it there. It won't hurt nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything put up. Gonna move. Don't really know where we're going yet. Well, I'm going to Fargo, you know, get supplies and everything. I'm talking about my next campground. Don't really know where I'm going. I'll try to get this video up today for you. And, yeah, I'll get back with you when I get to another campground. Probably gonna do some walk around in Fargo, so I may get a little bit of video of it. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Hope you're having a great day, and God bless you.